Good morning, students. Welcome to online education system of Naneshwar Public School, Beed. Students, this is a lecture of maths for class 10th, and our topic is pair of linear equation in two variables. So today's first question is that check graphically whether the pair of equations the pair of equations 2x minus y equals to 2 and 5x plus 2y equals to 23 is consistent if so solve graphically. This is our first question. Okay, now we are going to solve it. We have two equations 2x minus no? Solution. We have 2x minus y equals to 2 and 5x minus 2y equals to 23. Now for equation 1. For equation 1. This is the equation 1 and this is equation number 2. So for equation 1, what we will do? We will take two solutions. Okay. For two solutions, just make 3 columns. Here we will write x and here y. Now, when you will put x equals to 1 in equation 1, so what you will get? 2x minus y equals to 2. And from here, what we have? 2 into 1 minus y equals to 2. And from here, 2 minus y equals to 2 and y equals to 0. So at x equals to 1, y equals to 0. Okay. Similarly, when we will put x equals to 0, y equals to minus 2. Okay. This is for equation 1. Okay. Now for equation 2. For equation 2. Once again, we will draw a table in which there are 3 columns. First, we'll write x and in second y. Okay. Now when x equals to 1 for second equation, right now, so y equals to what? I'm going to put here not 1, huh? I'm going to put 3. When I will put 3, so I will get 15 minus 2y equals to 23 and minus 2y equals to 8, means y equals to minus 4. When? Okay. When we will put 5, so I will get y equals to 1 similarly. Okay. So this is the solution. Now we will draw the graph of it. Okay. So to draw the graph, what we will do? This is y-axis and this is x-axis. So mark it 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. Similarly here, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now I'm going to write it 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on. Similarly here, as we have sorry, I have to be draw the negative axis also. Okay. One, two, three, 4, 5, and this is 6. Okay. Now I will write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and this is minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we will plot the point that we find. Okay. So here 1 comma 0. 1 comma 0 means this will be the point 1 comma 0. Then 0 comma 2. So x की value 0, y की value 2 means this is the point 0 comma, sorry, 0 comma minus 2. This will be the point 0 comma minus 2. Now draw the line. ये आ गई आपकी फर्स्ट इक्वेशन की लाइन. Okay. Now we will draw the line of second equation. So what we'll do? 3 comma minus 4. So this is the x3. Okay. And this is the minus 4. Okay. So this is the point. This is the point. Okay. That is 3 comma minus 4. 3 comma minus 4 and 5 comma 1. To draw a line of 5 from the x axis. Okay. And this is the line for 1. Okay. So we get an intersection point of these two, this one, and this is the 5 comma 1. These are the two. Okay. And these are the intersecting lines right now. These are the intersecting lines. And these are the intersecting lines. So what we will do? यहाँ पर मेरा ग्राफ जो है कम हो रहा है. जब आप लोग अपने उस पे नोटबुक पे बनाएंगे तो थोड़ा सा स्मॉल स्केल लेके जब बनाएंगे तो आपको समझ में आएगा कि जो इक्वेशन है वो कहीं पर जाकर मिलेगी. राइट है. सो द पॉइंट, अभी ये इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइंस है. यहाँ पर अपन लिख लेते हैं पहले. As the lines are intersecting, so it are these are it has consistent. These are the consistent, है ना. These are consistent. ओके. अभी कंसिस्टेंट है. अब देखो इनका जो सोल्यूशन ग्राफिकली हम सोल्यूशन फाइंड आउट करेंगे तो हमको क्या मिलेगा? 3,4. 3,4. ओके. सो प्लीज इसको प्रॉपर लिख करें और आपको मिलेगा. टेक वन मोर एग्जांपल ऑफ इट. ओके. सो सेम क्वेश्चन है. Question is that check whether the following pair of linear equations has is consistent or inconsistent. 10, ठीक है ना? If they are consistent, find the solution. So equations are 2x minus y equals to 2, and that is 5x plus 2y equals to 23. Equation 1, equation 2. Okay. So for equation 1, now this is the table. This is x, this is y. Now put the value of x 1. So y equals to 0. 3. When you will put the value of x equals to 3, then you will get y equals to 4. Now for equation 2, this is the table. Okay. Now here we'll write x and this is y. When you will put x equals to 3 in equation number 2, so what you will get? Y equals to 4. Y equals to 4. When you will put x equals to 5, y equals to minus 1. Now draw the graph of these two. What we have? So from here, okay, these are the axis, x-axis and y-axis. Okay, y-axis, x-axis minus y minus x. This is 0, minus 1, minus 2, and minus 3. Similarly, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. अब देखो यहाँ पर हम ये पॉइंट्स प्लॉट कर लेते हैं जो हमने अभी फाइंड आउट किए हैं. सो फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज दैट 1,0 मीन्स x का 1 और y का 0 वो यहाँ पर मिल रहा है राइट ना हमको ये. ओके सो दिस इज 1,0. दूसरा 3,4 तो x का 3 वाली लाइन राइट है ना, x की 3 वाली लाइन ये है, y की 4 वाली लाइन. ओके नाउ we get a point that is 3,4 intersection point. Okay, this one. Now next point is what? Next point done. So we'll draw a line by joining these 2 points. This is the line for first equation. Okay, now for second equation, plot the points that are 3,4 means first point is same, 5, -1. This is the line of 5, and this is the -1. So this is 5, -1. Okay, this intersection point. Okay, now join these 2 lines, these 2 points means 3,4 and 5, -1. So we get these are the intersecting lines, right? Now these are the intersecting lines. These are intersecting lines. So these are consistent. Okay, and the solution x equals to 3 and y equals to 4. In the last graph, the solution was very high point. That's why I didn't saw in the graph. It was out of the board. Okay, so here it's clear right now. Now take one more example of it. Write down the question. Graphically find that graphically find that the following equations are consistent or not. If they consistent, then find the solution. Okay, इक्वेशन 1 जो हमारा गिवन है that is 5x minus 8y equals to -1, and second जो इक्वेशन हमको गिवन है that is 24/5, sorry, 3x minus 24/5 y equals to -3/5. So equation 1 is in its proper form, but equation 2 in not in proper form. So we are going to make it in proper form. So it will be 15x minus 24y equals to -3. And when you will solve it, you will get 5x minus 8y equals to -1. Okay, so these are two same equations, है ना? सेम इक्वेशंस आ गई ना, तो जब ये सेम इक्वेशंस हैं, so these are consistent because every point, है ना, here जब आप इनका ग्राफ ड्रॉ करोगे तो सेम पॉइंट्स ही आएंगे, है ना, फॉर इक्वेशन 1 and 2. एक्स वाई, एक्स की वैल्यू जो मैं 1 पुट करता हूं तो y की वैल्यू मेरे को 1 नहीं 0 पुट करता हूं तो y की वैल्यू मेरे को 1/8 मिलेगी. सो आई एम गोइंग टू फाइंड आउट दिस solutions or values like in integer form. Okay, जब मैं x की वैल्यू 3 पुट अप करूंगा, x की वैल्यू 3 पुट करूंगा तो मेरे को क्या मिलेगा, देखो, when I will put x equals to 3, so y equals to कितना मिलेगा, जब मैं यहाँ पर देखो 5 into 3 minus 8y equals to -1, so 15 minus 8y equals to -1, and from here 8 minus 8y equals to -1 minus 15, so from here minus 8y equals to -16, minus से minus cancel हो जाएगा and y equals to 2 मिल जाएगा, राइट है, तो y की वैल्यू 2 मिल जाएगी. Similarly, when I will put -5, x की वैल्यू -5 पुट करूंगा, यहाँ पर -5 पुट कर रहा हूं तो मेरे को यहाँ पर y equals to -3 मिल जाएगा. ओके, so here we'll draw the graph of these two lines, ना. So from here what we have, we will draw here, we will, what we will do, we will plot these points. Okay, now we will plot the graphs, है ना. So here what we have, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Okay. -5, -1, -2, -3, -4, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now plot the points. What we have 3, 2. तो x की 3 लाइन, x की जो 3 वाली लाइन है वो ये है, राइट ना, और y की 2 वाली लाइन ये है. Okay. Now second point is -5, -3, -5, -5, -3, -5, x का -5. So where is the -5? This is the line for x equals to -5, and this is the line for x equals to -3. Okay. Now these 2 points, join these 2 points that we get. Okay. So these are the line. अब इसी के ऊपर, जस्ट ऊपर इसके क्या आएगा, सेकेंड लाइन आएगी, है ना. आई एम ड्राइंग विथ another point. ऐसे. तो एक के ऊपर एक दोनों लाइंस आएंगी, मींस एवरी पॉइंट, दीज आर दी कोइंसाइड लाइंस, है ना. दीज आर कोइंसाइड lines. So these are consistent. Okay. And every point of the line will be a solution. Okay. So this is the concept of consistent and inconsistency of two pair of linear equation in two variable. In next lecture we will solve some more questions of pair of linear equation in two variable. Thank you very much for watching the video. Stay home, stay safe.